What's up, everybody? So, all right, today is the 20th of July, and so I've been building websites for about a year now. I started out trying to get an opportunity to go to school in the UK because basically it was like a business mentor, Shark Tank type of environment that was called oneday.com if you want to look it up. But so I finally got to the stage where I started talking to a mentor from One Day. And basically, it was like a formulation of questions that he had asked that stemmed to the point where what is actually needed in society. What problem could you truly solve? And what I was building at the time, I was just building out a platform for my handyman services. It's like this is what I do, to get my day-to-day income and things like that. So, I went on to create a business startup platform because I have not seen an actual business startup platform. Like we have, the incubators, we have the hubs locally, we have micro grants, micro loans, and things like that, and business loans, and all of these opportunities. But we don't have anything that's unified where you don't have to go to the state of Ohio to register a business. I'm using my state. You don't have to go to the IRS to, register your business as well. Like there's no platform currently that offers all of this. So I started building this platform myself because it's something that I've always wanted to have. Like I've been in business for 27 years as an entrepreneur. I started out under my mentor who owned TCBY Mrs. Fields, and I was just like, well, how do you do this? And he was like, oh, you gotta pay somebody to do that, and then you gotta register this, and then like nothing has changed in 30 years at the end of the day. So I started creating that platform for the world because nobody else has offered that, nor probably do they know enough knowledge about business to do that. And I have spent all my life, went to school for all of these things, and I know business probably the inside and out of how to obtain things. Like I do my research, I do my homework. Like I've had professors in college when I went for business, they're like, why are you doing this? You know everything. Like start your own business. Why don't you just go be your own? I'm like, I'm already an entrepreneur. Like I didn't have the answer to give them because we don't have the technology. So basically I built that using AI. Let's get to the point. It's called Biz50Startup, and I'm approaching my 1 year mark. I had created some things where basically I made it where it would be probably extremely profitable for me if I patent the technology in the company, but it got to a point where I'm like, I don't care anymore. Like I'm not looking for ownership of anything. I want to see growth. I want to see opportunity. I didn't come in this for the money. I wanted to create something that we just don't have, And so I did it. I've been done with the platform for 6 months now. Like there's some few things that I've just recently found out that I need to integrate into the platform, but for the most part, like if you signed up today, I could pretty much offer all of the services that I'm providing. Like everything you would need to do and know, it's all there. And now that I have the final puzzle pieces now, I'll finally be able to integrate those few things within minutes, maybe. I don't know. So I just need to put those few pieces of the puzzle to complete the Biz50 startup. But nonetheless, I'm looking for users, existing business owners, to use the platform so I can start providing the services. So like if you don't have a business address, if you don't have a business phone, if you don't have most importantly, this is the number one thing. If you're an existing business and you don't have your business reporting to all business credit bureaus, all three, then sign up with me and I will provide that service for you. My goal is to get that automated so that like everything that I offer, my goal is to get everything automated. So I found the automation process and how to do it the correct way. So like I said, it would be something that needs to be integrated into the platform. So I'm working on those final puzzle pieces, and that's why I'm doing this, because I'm 1 year in, and I think that this goal is ready to take off. I've been sitting on it very patiently, and I'm just ready to just press the gas at this point. So if you're interested in signing up, please do click on biz50startup.com and register yourself, and we'll work on getting the process. I'm not looking for a lot of people immediately, but I'm looking at enough, maybe 50 people to work with in order to get the necessary traction and expansion needed to move on to the next steps.